Morning guys. Magra-ride tayo ngayon papuntang park. Solo ride muna tayo. Hanap naman tayo ng makakasama. Hindi ko kasama ang aking anak. Sarap pa ng tulog. Kailangan natin i-ensayo. Ayan o, laki na ng pot. Ay, nako. Let's go! Let's go mga ka-wonder! Yan o, nakahila din o ng isa. Nakasama. Wala yung anak ko eh. Di kasama eh.
Representative natin.
Wala, tulog pa. Yan talaga pag mga bata. Mahirap gisingin yan. Yeah, pupunta lang kami, ikot-ikot lang dito sa loob. Papawis lang. Morning sir. Papawis-pawis lang.
Is this thing on? I can't tell, 'cause you never reply. They home gone, am I late? Did I miss the invite? Maybe it's me, I can't tell, 'cause I ran out of time. Is this thing on? I can't tell, 'cause you never reply. Where did you go? Was that you that just drove past the house? And is it me that they're laughing at when I step out? Maybe I'm paranoid, feels like I let everyone down. It feels like everybody's thinking I'm a nobody now. I had to write myself a letter just to know it get read. I drink myself back to life to make sure I ain't dead. But I ain't dead yet. Is there a number to call? Is there a place I can hide? Is this thing on? I can't tell, 'cause you never reply.
Pauwi na kami, Sir Arnel. Yan o, pauwi na kami. Dito na kami, pre-ship. Ayun na yung ulan o, dilim na. O, yung mga nag-ride, good luck, ingat kayo. Malakas na naman yung ulan. Kailangan makabalik agad. Di pwede lumayo. Ay, bawa pa yan itong 5 store. Ito yata kayo kumain no, sa kabila. Ay, ito yung bago ano. Jollibee oh. Bago. Kaya pala tanong mo sa akin sa Jollibee. Timog pala to, Timog. Korean town oh. Oh, Timog pa to oh. Sa inyo ano. Ba't hindi pa binuksan? Para diretsyo na. Ah. Diretsyo na dadaan oh, liliko na lang. Bagay, totoo yun. Ah. Ayaw, malamig na yung ano, simoy. Sana nga. Bababa naman na eh. Saka pa uwi na kahit abutan. Ay oh, ang bira. Naka oh, dami oh. Puro GT Ford, ganda. Kumakain sila. Kumakain lang, nagbe-break lang. Grupo ng mga Ford. GT Ford, Mustang. Ah, sir. Sir, dito na naman tayo. Next ride ulit. Oo. Thank you sir ha, thank you. Oo. Thank you sa paalmusal. Oo. Habol ako. Okay, thank you. Okay.
I thought mama promised me a mockingbird, and each note that she sings kind of reminds me of a brand new bottle tucked away behind my seat. And if I get pulled over, I'll pretend it's not for me. There's a problem here, but it's not yours, it's his. And every day he'll wake up longing for your kiss. There's gotta be more to live for in a lonely town like this. The stores are closing, and friends have lost their shirt. Though I know it's fucked up here, it probably could be worse. I count my blessings, I guess I'm lucky I've got the work. And it seems like we're happy, at least I know we were. There's so many things to be angry about, and my phone won't ring unless I call you out. But the kids seem good and that'll do for now. There's gotta be more in store for this lonely town. Set my hands down on the table and just breathe. No one's forcing me to stay, I can't leave. I keep doing what I can to find relief. Just stay with me.
Yan. Doon sa muli. Dito na lang tayo. Ang aming ride. Sa susunod. Muli sa pagbalik ng iyong ka-wonder. See you.
From now